Okay, today we're going to install on your scooter a new little device, and in this video I will show you how. Hello and welcome to my video. Today we're going to install a new little toy for your scooter. This one is a bottle holder. Let me tell you, this one is my favorite modification for your scooter, okay? Because when I go to the gym or sometimes when I go for a ride with a scooter, I really don't know where to put my bottle. I usually bring a bottle of water. I live down here in Florida. Unfortunately, it's really hot down here, and sometimes you need to drink some water. Usually I try to keep it on my hand, but and then you have to give the throttle, and then you have to turn your scooter, and then it's really not safe to keep the bottle on your hand. You know, if you're really thirsty, I know you want to open the bottle. The best way is to put it underneath your seat, and then you have to stop with your scooter, open the seat, get your bottle, have a drink, put it back, close the thing, come on. With this one, you're just going to hold your little bottle of water and you don't have any problem, okay? This one is just perfect. This one, it comes with a little thing right here that you can open up and open and close this part right here, that you can place a larger bottle or a smaller bottle. Okay, or you can even put a cup, but usually I do not suggest to put a cup when you're riding a scooter, because the cup is gonna spill all over. But for a bottle, for a plastic bottle, this one is perfect. I will not suggest to put like a liter bottle or liter and a half bottle, because this one might break. Actually, this part right here, down here, is pretty strong. So I was really surprised of the quality of this plastic right here. So it's pretty good. If you can hear that this one is nice thick plastic. Maybe this one is not too thick, but this one it is. So it will take the bounce of the scooter and it's not going to break. That's the really good thing about this one. Now there is lots of place where you can install this one. The best one I will love to install it right underneath the hook that you have for the helmet, in front of your leg when you're riding. So you're not going to have any problem. But you can also install a little higher if you want to. You can install even this one on the, little open door that you have in front of your knees, okay, in the scooter, or even on the top where you turning, on the steering. You can, when you turn, you can put that one there too. There is many places where you can put. Make sure you put this one in a place this is not going to bother you when you're gonna ride with your scooter, because you really don't want to have something obstructing you, or because you have a problem turning your scooter because you have a bottle of water. And plus you want to be in a place where it's not going to bother you when you're riding. It's like, make sure you put it in a safe place for the bottle, make sure you put it in a safe place for you to don't have any problem when you're riding a scooter. That's very important. Okay, so let's put an installation, let's put this one together, and I'm gonna show you where to place it, how to do it right now. See, if you like, you can place this holder right here if you want to. Let's remove this piece of paper so I'll show you how you can place it. Now it comes with the two little screws, but just two small ones. I really don't like them, they're too small. I will put some like a little longer screws and bigger screws, so it will hold a lot better, okay? Now it comes also with a double adhesive, like a double sticky that you can put it back here. But this one, they're good for nothing because they're really small, so they're really not too good. Now, this one, you can place it right here, but the problem when you're going to turn, is going to bother you on your legs. When it's closed, it's not going to bother you a lot, because when it's closed, it looks like a little wallet. It's great. Now, when you open this one, you keep the bottle here, you're going to have a little problem. Now, my idea, you can place it right here. That is not bad, but maybe even down here is even a lot better. Because it's not going to bother you too much. Place it down here. I think it will be perfect. So you can put a little arm a little wider right here. You can adjust it. But the good thing about this little holder that when you close it, it's going to be nice and flat, okay? So you're not going to see it too much. You're really not going to see it. It's not going to be, you know, visible. So it's fantastic, you know. This one is just a perfect thing for your scooter to put a bottle of water when you're thirsty, okay? Okay, this is my favorite position right here for this little cup holder, okay? What I'm gonna do, I'm going to take some double tape right here. So I'm going to put it behind the little cup holder, okay? So right here, I'm gonna put the double tape. So this double tape is going to keep this one a little firm for me, a little in place, you know, for me. So it's not going to move. Try to find the center part right here of this location and try to put it like horizontal way. You don't want to put it crooked, okay? Now make sure you're going to put this cup holder in the way you're supposed to put it. Don't put it upside down, because it's very easy to put it upside down, because it's slightly confusing when this one is closed. So open the lower part and see where is the part that you really want to attach to your scooter. Okay. Just press it slightly. Open the little arm on the top and try to press with 2 fingers right here in the center. Okay. Right after you've done that, I have some better screw right here, the 3/4 of an inch. So with this screw, I'm going to screw on the left side and the right side. I'm going to put the screw with the driller, so it's easier. Okay, make sure you put this nice and straight. Do not force too much on the plastic when you're going to drill this part in. If you drill and you force it too much, it's going to break. This one is a really easy thing to do for your scooter, and it's going to help you a lot to hold your cups or to hold your little bottle that you're going to bring somewhere and you're going to drink it. Okay, so make sure you put it nice straight and make sure it's going to get firm. Okay, so this one, I really like this plastic because this plastic feels very good, let me tell you. You know, it's pretty strong, you know. Anyway, I hope it's going to last a long time for sure. You know, I'm not going to force it, but the good thing is that you're going to close this part right here, you're going to close here, and that's all. This one is fantastic, you know, I really love it because you just open, put little arms. You know, for sure you have to be careful when you sit on the scooter with your legs. You don't push this one and break it, but you really have to be careful. Now, right after you open, you can put a little bottle right here and you just squeeze this part right here, you know, so the bottle is not going to go anywhere. So if you like to try, maybe you can even try to see, you can squeeze the 2 little arms right here and you squeeze the bottle, and then that's it. You get the bottle out and you get the bottle in. You're done with the bottle, you close the little 2 arms and you close this part right here. Let me tell you, for $10 online, I will gonna put the link underneath this video. You know, this one is a fantastic thing. I hope it's gonna last me a long time, because sometimes I'm a little rough with the scooter. I like to go fast. So if I go fast, I'm not sure if this one's gonna hold. But anyway, just ask me, put any question underneath my video, so we can see. Hopefully it's gonna last me a long time, because I kinda like it. Every time I go to the gym, or every time I go in the scooter for a ride, I don't know to put this bottle. I don't know where to put the bottle. So with this one, that's where I'm gonna put my bottle this time. So I think this one is gonna be my favorite modification for this scooter, or any scooter, I think. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everybody. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Contact me at any time. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like button that you see underneath the video, and have a great day. Please ride safe and be safe, okay? Thank you.